Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I wanted to give you a quick tip that if you haven't discovered yet, you are going to love this. I have some of the metallic edged ribbon that is in the annual catalog. It's got gold edging, and we also have some with silver metallic edging, and it's like a very vanilla colored ribbon. And I am going to take one of my Stampin' blends. This is the light Calypso Coral, and just watch this. I can make the color ribbon that I need with this beautiful metallic edge by just coloring with my Stampin' Blends marker. You can give it another coat if you'd like. I'm just evening it out. So there you can have coordinated ribbon very easily using your Stampin' Blends, and you flip it over and the color is on the back as well. Here is one I did with the dark Calypso Coral marker. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I hope you'll give that a try with your Stampin' Blends. I invite you to visit my website to see the finished card that I'm going to make with one of these ribbons. And while you're there, be sure and sign up for my mailing list so you can get all my project ideas and the latest on crafting from Stampin' Up. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.